So this session closed, and we are reaching the time for the closing remarks. So at the last of this session, I would like to invite Deputy Director General of the Network Center, Dr. Meng Fan, to deliver closing remarks. Dr. Meng, you can also share some of the answers within your 3 minutes time, please.
Dear distinguished participants of the workshop, and good afternoon and good evening. So it's a very exciting workshop. First of all, on behalf of NC, I would like to congratulate all the speakers and the participants for this exciting and successful workshop. So in this workshop, actually, we have participants from 10 EANET participant country. In total, we have 180 people participating. Unfortunately, so due to the technical limit, so we can only see a few speakers here, but many people actually are in the background. So this workshop aims to share a wide range of national and international experience in the field of atmospheric monitoring, discussing the current development, future challenge, and solution, and of the monitoring in the related research in the EANET region, in this region. So we have two very good sessions. First session, we have an honor to have a speaker from Japan, Korea, and China, and also from NC to share the experience of monitoring in these three countries and also in the EANET. So Dr. Akimoto introduced the air quality improvement in the past 30 years, and also he addressed research, the importance of research and also monitoring. And Dr. Choi from NIR and shared the very impressive monitoring network of Korea. So many items measured in Korea, ozone and VOC, and even pH. So it's very important experience for the other country. And Dr. Hu Jinglan showed the air quality in China, especially in the Beijing, Tianjin, and Hebei province. He showed some research showing the importance of scientific research as well as importance of monitoring data. So it's a very encouraging improvement happened there. And my colleague, Dr. Hu, introduced QAQC activities in the EANET, and this also the challenge work. So to ensure the data quality actually is a very challenge and very important. Yeah, during the session 2, actually, it's a continuous, very exciting discussion. We were honored to have participants, stakeholders join this discussion. We have our SAC member, current chairperson and previous Dr. Mohan, and the previous chairperson of Dr. Kao. And we also have Ms. Dong from Clean Air Asia to share their work at the cities. So actually we have two very hot topics today. So the first one is we share this country situation and challenge. We see a lot of challenge, especially in some developing country, and so there's a lot, and also some new scientific topic we just discussed here. And the other thing is how to link EANET work with city level monitoring, which is also involving the different scale of phenomena and different monitoring item, different topics, which is also very important. We also talk about a lot about VOC, about secondary air pollutants, about methodology, how to measure. We cannot continue nitrogen cycle. It's very complicated. So I don't want to say. It's very interesting. I hope we can have time. So generally, this workshop to me is very successful, and EANET now is in a transition of scope expansion. So many people already know. So this workshop shows the experience, the situation, and we know each other more, and also shows the challenge and promising future of EANET. Unfortunately, only limited time today, so there's still a lot of idea topic we need to discuss. We hopefully we may have a longer time in the future in person. We look forward to the following activities and development in the EANET and in the participant country region and in the cooperation among all the relevant parties in the region. So finally, I would like to mention, as you may already know, this workshop actually is one of the activities, EANET activities in 2022. The Ministry of Environmental Japan provides support for the activities. We would like to thank MOEJ for their continuous support. So in closing, I would like to thank all the speakers and all the participants from 10 countries. And we like to thank CAA and other organizations and institutions like NIR, CRIS for their support. I also would like to thank my colleagues in NC and in Secretariat for all the people and all the people involved in organizing this successful workshop. Thank you very much. Thank you. Back to you, Ms. Dong.
Thank you so much for a very excellent summary of this meeting and taking this opportunity. The Network Center would like to appreciate you all. We can see the senior senseis starting from Hatakema Sensei and Yamazaki-san from MOEJ, and we also invite Akimoto Sensei travel all the way from Saitama to ACAP, and Dr. Chiu and Dr. Hu share their kind of national practices, and in session 2, a lot of panelists and commentators shared your concerns, and many of them are the SEC chairs and SEC members. Your valuable brains share those precious ideas will for sure set a very good discussion basis. So please keep an eye on our project list and project proposals, which will be submitted to the working group meeting in this summer, 2 months later, well, actually 1 month later. Based on your valuable opinions, we will add those requests and concerns into our city-level project and also related project to VOCs and other areas. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and we look forward to your next session together. Thank you so much.